9:17 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Saturday, August 13, 2022. A severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for Sturgeon Company near Legal and Near, Sturgeon Company near Morinville, Romer and Big Lake, and Sturgeon Company near Bonnecourt, Gibbons and Namao.
21h17 par le samedi 13 août 2022, une alerte d'orage violent vers normal de l'est en vigueur pour Cité de Sturgeon près de l'Égal et Meurne, Cité de Sturgeon près de Morinville, Volmur et du lac Biguet, Cité de Sturgeon près de Bonnecourt, Gibbons et Namao.
Environment Canada has issued a severe thunderstorm warning at 9:17 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Saturday, August 13, 2022. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Sturgeon Company near Legal and Near, Sturgeon Company near Morinville, Romer and Big Lake, and Sturgeon Company near Bonnecourt, Gibbons and Namao. At 9:17 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing strong wind gusts, up to nickel-size hail and heavy rain. Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm watch at 9:12 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Saturday, August 13, 2022. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for City of Edmonton, St. Albert, Sherwood Park, Lac Saint, and Company near Ottawa and Lac Saint, and Parkland Company near Spruce Grove and Stony Plains, Sturgeon Company near Rivière-Berry and Villeneuve, Sturgeon Company near Legal and Near, and Sturgeon Company near Morinville, Romer and Big Lake, Sturgeon Company near Bonnecourt, Gibbons and Namao, Sturgeon Company near Redwater, Fort Saskatchewan and Northern Strathcona Company, Elk Island Net Park, Leduc Company near Kelmar and Devon, Leduc Company near Leduc, Beaumont and Kavanaugh, Leduc Company near New Sarepta and Roley View, Strathcona Company near Ardrossan and Cooking Lake, Beaver Company near Tofield and Camrose Company near Hay Lakes and Miquelon Lake Prov Park.
Environnement Canada a émis une alerte